Meet the Aro Pro, the perfect HVAC diffuser for homes, apartments, and offices for up to 4,000 square feet. Setting it up is quick and easy. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the Aro Pro diffuser, power adapter, magnetic tags, wall mount with its screws, an empty oil bottle with its nozzle, and an HVAC connecting hose. To release the security pin and remove the bottle from your diffuser, place the included magnetic tag on the specific area of the diffuser where the lock mechanism is located. In this case, in the front of the diffuser in the top. Once the magnetic tag is correctly positioned, the lock will release, allowing you to smoothly pull out the empty bottle. Choose your favorite Aromely diffuser oil. Unscrew the nozzle and fill it up. Close it up and secure back into the diffuser. Make sure it clicks back into place. Important, never mix oil with water. Connect the power adapter and it will automatically start misting in its default setting. Customize your experience. Adjust scent intensity and set a schedule using our Aromely app available on both Google Play and the App Store for automatic fragrance control at your convenience. You are now ready to enjoy the art of scent.